Let's talk representing data. Now, a reminder, if you want to represent data, it's all about organizing and summarizing data in the best way possible. Now, over here, we've got 5 people and their test scores. A really simple way to represent this, a basic data table. That's right. This is the most common way, I think, to represent data. Another way we could show this data is a bar graph. That's right. Look, we've got the names along the horizontal x-axis, and we've got the possible scores going vertically along the y-axis. Now, a bar graph is the best fit for showing distribution of data. Another way we could show this data is a line plot. Yeah, check this out. So we would go over to this number line here, and we would mark our test scores, all of them at once. Okay, so we got a 95, 100, 100, we got an 80, and we have a 90. Now, when you want to do a line plot, you're going to show frequency. All right, and this is the best way to represent data on a number line. Another way to represent data, a box plot or a box and whisker plot. This is a great way to show how the data spans out in quartiles or in quarters. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put those numbers in order, just like that. Now we're going to find the median and we're going to put a line above it. All right, so that's 95. Now we want to represent the second and third quartile with a line as well. Since there's only 5 spots, the second piece of data is my second quartile, and my third quartile is going to be marked, since both of them are on 100, somewhere between 95 and 100. And that'll work. All right, and then we put a box around those. That's our interquartile range. The next thing we want to do is we want to draw a line down to the lowest point and then a line up from the box to the highest data point. That would be right here and right here. So let's do that. There's a line to the lowest, there's a line to the highest. Now, as you zoom out of this thing, you get to see a really cool picture of the data. You see quartile 1, 2, 3, and 4 with the median in the middle. And don't forget, but quartile 2 and 3 are our interquartile range. This is the best way to see the median, the spread, and the outliers. Another way to show data is on a histogram, but we need the data to be a little different. We need the frequency of continuous data. Put this into a graph form. You see that our independent variable are the scores, and our frequency along the y-axis are the number of people or the frequency that score was achieved. Now remember, all of these representations I've shown you are all about organizing and summarizing the data in the best possible way.